Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So 2024 is here and this year is all about trying out new products, new kinds of tools for me, and I'm happy to say that I finally checked this off my checklist of trying new things because I finally got my hands on one such tool that I've really wanted to try. So I finally got this 3D face roller by Milagro Beauty. Let's try this out together. This is how this 3D massage roller looks like. It has this handle and it has these two roller balls which rotate to 360 degrees, and it is super luxe, like it is really good quality. You can see for yourself. I really like the way, the look and the feel of the product. It is made up of very premium alloy. So here are some of the benefits of using face rollers. Now these kinds of face rollers, when you massage them regularly, they help you to sculpt your face, and it overall makes your face look even, and it also contours your face. So using the face rollers enhance the blood flow or blood circulation on your face and neck, which means that it will give you that radiant look. It will really enhance your complexion. If you'll keep this in a refrigerator and use it, it will help you to depuff your face. It will help you in lymphatic drainage. Now these are some of the amazing benefits of using a 3D face roller. Now let's talk about how to actually use it. The most important step to keep in mind before using the face roller is to start clean. By starting clean, I mean that the face roller should be sterilized. You can wash it off with soap and clean it with a tissue, or you can use any sanitizer to clean it. Make sure your face is also clean. You do not have any makeup on. Now there are two ways you can use this. If you are using this to depuff your face, you ideally do not need anything on your face. You can simply just take it out from a refrigerator, sterilize it and use it to depuff your face. The second way to use this roller is to use any kind of a serum or oil if you're using it for massaging and depuffing it together. So to use this roller for massaging my face, I got my hands on this Milagro Beauty's pure essential oil with 24 karat gold. So it has a super lightweight texture, so make sure you shake this before using it. This is how the serum looks like. It has these beautiful gold flakes. I have cleansed my face and I do not have anything on my face. I'm going to take a few drops of this oil. I'm going to show you step by step how to use it, different directions to use it on your face. So let's start from our jawline. Starting from the middle of your chin, follow your jawline until your earlobe. Do this several times along the jawline. So the general rule of thumb with doing these kinds of massages is to follow one section for 5 to 6 times and then move to next section. I will be doing both my jawlines together and then move on to the cheek area. Make sure you have your cheekbone area between the rollers and then drag it from the tip of your nose to your temple, and do this several times, like 4 to 5 times, and then slowly move a little down to the rest of your cheek. It helps in draining and depuffing your face. Then I'm going to move to the next side of my face. You can see that I am so relaxed and almost lost in my own world while doing this. Then after doing both these sections, it's time to do the neck and décolletage area. Drag the roller upwards. Make sure you go section wise, like start from one ear. Slowly, after doing it for 1 or 2 times on each section, move to the other side. Then moving on to eyebrow, take the roller between your eyebrow bone and drag it towards the temple of your face. It helps to depuff and contour your eyes. Do this several times but be super gentle. Then drag the roller a little downward for the under eye area. It is so soothing and relaxing. Then for the forehead, start from the center and take it upward. You do not have to drag it downward. All the sections have to be upward. Start from the center and then move to one side, doing each section for 1 to 2 times, and then take the roller to the other side of your forehead. It is so relaxing, it is so soothing, and this will help you to depuff, help in lymphatic drainage. This is how my skin looks like after a good massage session with this 3D face roller by Milagro Beauty. Make sure you, after use this, you clean it again, you wash it off, or you sterilize it and then keep it back. I love the way this 24 karat gold oil made my skin look. It is such a good oil to pair up with this 3D face roller. I absolutely love both these products. So talking about my experience, I loved massaging my face with this roller. It is so refreshing, it is so soothing, it is so relaxing. It not only depuffs or calms your skin down, but I felt like I feel super relaxed mentally also. I'm going to keep using this every day. I'm leaving the link to buy them in the description. Make sure you check this out. So if you liked hanging out and you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. There are so many skincare, makeup and house related videos coming your way. So make sure you hit the bell icon and stay tuned for all the future videos. I will catch you all next time. Bye bye.